Stephanie Sudbury's 4-year-old son recently came home from pre-primary with the rapid testing kits being distributed to all Nova Scotian students up to grade 6.
I did not look at the expiry date on the test. I expected it to be good throughout this school year.
But then after seeing discussions online about expired kits, she checked her own.
Shocked to see that mine expired May 18th of 2021.
Sent home with the testing kits was a note from the province explaining the manufacturer has extended that expiry date by a year. But in an email, the manufacturer says while tests were initially approved for a 6-month shelf life, they're now good for 12 months, meaning just 6 months beyond the printed expiry date. Nova Scotia's top doctor says they're looking into the discrepancy.
Some communication has told us 6 months, others has told us 12 months. So we're going back to both Health Canada and the manufacturer and say, what is it? Is it 6 months or is it 12 months? Give us clear direction.